Ever been caught up on Instagram or YouTube, scrolling endlessly, watching people flash luxury cars, designer watches, and screenshots of massive profits made in minutes from Forex or crypto trading? You see captions like, "Made $2,000 in 10 minutes," or "Quit my job through trading." These scenes are designed to grab your attention, make you curious, and spark a dream, the dream of financial freedom. But what they don't show you is the ugly truth behind those profits. In most cases, these aren't real traders. They're marketers selling you an illusion. And in this video, I want to give you the truth that no one tells you about Forex and crypto trading. The truth that could save you from emotional, financial, and psychological disaster. Let's start with the illusion of quick and easy money. The reason so many people get trapped is because trading is marketed like a lottery. The message is simple. Open a trading app, press buy or sell, and make instant profit. But what's missing from this story is the 90% of traders who fail, those who burn their accounts chasing signals, following hype, or copying random trades from Telegram. In reality, there is no shortcut. The people showing massive profits are often using demo accounts, heavily edited screenshots, or cherry-picked results to sell courses, mentorships, and fake dreams. Behind those fancy results are months, even years, of confusion, losses, and stress. Or worse, they're not trading at all. Now let's talk about real risk versus real return. Forex and crypto both offer incredible opportunities, but they're also extremely high-risk markets. In Forex, most brokers allow leverage, sometimes 100.1 or even 500.1. This means a tiny market move can wipe out your entire capital. For example, if you use $100 to open a $10,000 position with high leverage, a movement of just 1% in the wrong direction could liquidate your account. That's the harsh truth. In crypto, things are even more volatile. One tweet from Elon Musk can move Bitcoin by thousands of dollars. Whales, large investors, manipulate prices, creating fake breakouts and false dumps. If you don't know how to read these moves, you're the liquidity they're hunting. Let's go one step deeper. How do brokers and exchanges really make money? Many Forex brokers operate as market makers, meaning they don't send your trades to the real interbank market. Instead, they take the opposite side of your trade. When you lose, they win. While not all brokers do this, many beginner traders unknowingly sign up with unregulated brokers who are literally betting against them. In crypto, exchanges don't care if you win or lose. They profit from trading volume and transaction fees. In fact, many exchanges benefit more when traders overtrade, panic sell, or chase pumps. This system is not designed to help you win. It's designed to keep you trading, regardless of your result. Here's the deeper truth. Successful trading is boring. It's not about catching every big move. It's not about revenge trading after a loss. It's about discipline, routine, and repeating a proven process. Most traders lose not because they don't have a good strategy, but because they have no emotional control. They over-leverage, skip risk management, or chase trades when they're tired, angry, or greedy. On the other hand, smart traders have systems, patience, and a clear mindset. They don't trade based on emotion. They trade based on structure, strategy, and data. They follow one setup and wait for the perfect condition. They know when not to trade, which is often more important than knowing when to enter. Let's talk about education, because this is where 99% of traders go wrong. Watching 10 YouTube videos and opening a demo account for a week is not enough. Trading is a high-performance skill like flying a plane, doing surgery, or playing chess at a grandmaster level. You need to understand technical analysis, fundamental drivers, risk management, market psychology, and price behavior. You must study real-time market reactions to news events, backtest your strategy across multiple pairs and time frames, and, most importantly, practice emotional control. Consistent profitability doesn't happen overnight. If you're not willing to spend months or years learning, you're not ready to trade real money. Now let's compare Forex versus crypto. Both are financial markets, but they behave very differently. Forex is more stable and mostly influenced by real-world events like interest rate changes, inflation, unemployment reports, and central bank policy. It's a technical market. Clean trends, structured patterns, and smart money footprints are visible for those who study price action. Crypto, however, is hyper-emotional and speculative. It's driven by hype, fear, and manipulation. One whale or influencer can flip the market in minutes. While crypto can give you massive returns, it can also leave you wrecked if you don't have a plan. Most crypto traders lose not because the asset was bad, but because they traded with emotions and no structure. Let's not ignore the darkest corner of this industry: scams and fake mentors. You've probably seen them. Telegram groups offering 95% win rate signals, Instagram traders selling secret strategies for $500, YouTube thumbnails saying, "Make $1,000 day with this trick." These people are not real traders, they're marketers. If someone guarantees profits in trading, run away. The market has no guarantees. Even the best traders have losing days. Anyone who promises daily income from trading is either lying or trying to sell you something. Real trading comes with uncertainty, and only those who respect that truth survive in the long run. So, what should you really do if you're serious about trading? Start with demo trading, not for a few days, but for a few months. Practice your strategy, journal every trade, and track your emotions. Focus not just on your wins, but on how you handle losses. Learn to take small losses and avoid big ones. Trade with money you can afford to lose, and only when you've built confidence, structure, and emotional maturity. Find one strategy that suits your mindset, master it deeply, and apply it consistently. Don't jump from one indicator to another or one guru to the next. Success in trading doesn't come from information overload. It comes from focused execution. So now you've heard the truth. Not the fantasy sold in ads or by fake mentors, but the real story behind Forex and crypto trading. It's not a shortcut to wealth. It's a skill that takes time, discipline, and deep understanding. The path is difficult but not impossible. The market doesn't reward hope. It rewards preparation. If this video helped you see the reality clearly, then subscribe to Financial Freedom FX, where we break down trading honestly, with no hype. Like the video, share it with someone who needs to hear this, and always remember, in trading, knowledge is your only real edge.